Welcome back to World of Aromas. I'm Cheyenne, and today we're going to be making our own lotion scent. So first step is we have to choose our scent. The great thing about World of Aromas is that there are so many scents and in any type of scent category that you want. So for example, over here you can see we have citrus, we have some fruity fragrances, floral. There is so much here. You are not going to have a problem finding something you like. So for my butter, I was thinking, I'm kind of feeling dessert. So follow me. Over here, we have my favorite section, the dessert section. So we have all of our dessert-esque flavors here. So I'm just gonna see which one sparks my interest. Off the bat, buttered popcorn sounds amazing. Wow, that smells like a movie theater. Let's see, cookie dough looks like it's been well loved and well used. Let's see. Yeah, I can see why. That definitely smells like cookie dough ice cream. Let's see, what would I want for dessert? We have crème brûlée, which is one of my favorites. Let's see. Okay, that's a contender. We're gonna put crème brûlée right here, and we're gonna keep going. Ooh, Russian sweet cream. That is such a unique fragrance that, of course, only World of Aromas would have. That is so good. Okay, we have our two contenders right here. I'm gonna smell one more and see if anything else rivals it. I love a good sugar cookie. Very nice. Ooh, that is so hard. That's gonna be the hardest part at World of Aromas, is just choosing your scent because there's so many. So I think between these two, I think I'm gonna have to go with crème brûlée. So this is what we're gonna be mixing into our NUD Body Butter Cream today. So we're here at World of Aromas and we are going to be making our scented NUD Body Butter Cream. I am so excited to do this. I already picked my scent, crème brûlée, which actually is one of my favorite desserts. It has very strong sense of caramel, that crunchy caramel that you get when you eat a crème brûlée. You can smell that so clearly. And then underneath it, it has a nice vanilla cream kind of smell to it as its base. It literally smells just like the dessert. And because I like the dessert so much, normally it's recommended to put 5% of the scent. I'm gonna be putting 10%. So this is the pipette we'll be using. It has 3 milliliters. So what that means is that we're gonna be putting around 7 to 8 milliliters in our blender over here. So we got our crème brûlée scent in our pipette. We're gonna go ahead and add it into the mixture. Remember, we said we were gonna add around 7 to 8 because I like mine to smell really, really sweet. And that's another one of my favorite parts about World of Aromas is how many sweet scents they have. I feel like so many perfumes these days just aren't as sweet as I would like them to be. And I love that when you come in here, you get to make it as sweet and scented as you want. Okay, we should only have 2 more left. Last one. There we go. So we have our NUD Body Butter, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put it in here with this spatula, and we're gonna get started creating our scent. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and get it open, as you can see, like this. All right, we got our spatula. We're gonna go ahead and get in there. What attracted me so much to World of Aromas is that the custom scents you can make here are unlike anything I've ever experienced anywhere else. Like I was saying earlier, there's so many scents to choose from, and I've never been to a place that had as many options as World of Aromas. And I just think that in today's day and age, everyone's kind of wearing the same thing. You see all the same perfumes over and over. Ariana Grande, Billie Eilish, and they're good, don't get me wrong, but I mean, I just really want to stand out when I'm wearing perfume. I want people to stop and ask what I'm wearing, and I feel like the only way to really accomplish that is to make your own scent. And the best part about here is that you can make your own body butter, you can make your own perfume. Really, the possibilities are endless, and that's the best part. So it looks like we got about everything out. I'm trying to get all those last little remnants just so we can get everything in here, but it's looking pretty clear. So we'll go ahead. All right, so it is ready to go. We're gonna lock it in place and give her a good mix. All right, it's looking about done. Let's see. Ooh, y'all look at this texture. It smells so good and it looks so whipped and creamy. This is so exciting. Okay, I wanna put it on right now, but we're gonna put it back in the jar first. So now we're just going to scoop out and get it back in there. Because we whipped it, blended it, there's gonna be some air, so it might not all fit back in here, but if you have an extra jar, then you'll be able to get any of the remnants. So we're just gonna keep putting it in here. Oh, it looks so good. It looks like whipped cream. It's so exciting. This is gonna go great, and the best part too is if you wanted, you could make a matching perfume with this scent, and then you would just be smelling like creme brulee all the time, which kind of sounds like my dream. So we're almost done getting everything out. You gotta get all around the edges of this blender because you don't want to waste any of this beautiful, beautiful product. So I'm gonna make sure I'm getting quite everything I can into here. I'm just gonna scoop it on up. Okay, we're almost there. I am getting so antsy to put this on and try it now that it has the fresh new scent in it. Okay, and I feel like this too would make such a great gift for somebody. You know, like if you know what your friends or partner likes in a smell, this would be such a fun thing to go do together, or something to make for them if you know them well enough. Okay, we're almost good with getting all the lotion. Just gonna get this last little bit. As you can see, we're getting pretty full. Okay. Almost done. Go ahead and get that. All right, take a look at that. That is so lovely. Gonna get a little here. Okay, I feel like I have to try a little bit on. So just like before, it's still so soft, so hydrating. It feels great on the skin already. I feel so much less dry, so moisturized. And it smells so good. It smells exactly like creme brulee. I can also tell that my tattoos are looking way more defined. They're popping a little bit, and there's like a shimmer. Do you see that? That's crazy. So this cream is also really great if you have any tattoos, because you know you gotta keep your tattoos very moisturized so that they last a long time. And that is very important to me and many people, as they spend a lot of money on them. So yeah, check that out. You can see the glow, and that's one of my favorite parts. You can just tell that it's made my skin healthier and better just by putting it on, and that's the best part.